is there to solve the problem by using the property. Okay. In general, we already studied by using the direct method, that means the formula method. Second one is the substitution method. Third one is the trigonometric replacement method. Fourth one is the particular function method. Then fifth one is the partial fraction method. So we done this many methods to solve the problems. Now what happened? We are going to use the properties. So when you use the property, very easily we can solve the questions. Very easily we can solve the questions. Today we are going to study only 6 properties, and going to study the first property. No use at all. No use this property. What happened? Integral a to b f of x into dx is there. சார் எனக்கு எக்ஸ் ராசி இல்லாத மாதிரி தெரியுது, நான் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒய்க்கு எடுத்துக்கிட்டுமா? a to b f of y into dy இப்படி போடுறது. You can change the x into y. For some problem number 1, 2, 3, x square into dx ன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த கணக்கு இப்படி போட்டாலும் இல்ல சார் எனக்கு வந்து அது பிடிக்கல, x பிடிக்கல, அப்போ 1, 2, 3 y ஸ்கொயர் இன்டு டிஒய்ன்னு போட்டுக்கிட்டுமா? நல்லா போட்டுக்கோ. இது ரெண்டுனுடைய ஆன்சரும் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் வரும். திஸ் இஸ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்பர் 1. So we are never use this property in any places. Okay? Sir, it is for our understanding. We are not changing the limit. Sir,
Sir, then you have to change the limit with respect to y also, sir.
No. We are not changing. We are not giving any substitution. We are not giving any substitution. Limit is as it is only. In place of x, I am giving y.
Okay,
you
sir.
substitute x square equal to t. You substitute x square equal to t. Then we have to change the limit. Changing the limit problem, I didn't teach it till today. Once you come back to school, I will tell you. So I don't want to mix both the method. When you are here in the school, directly I'll tell you. There is changing the limit also. But purposefully, I am not teaching changing the limit. Okay. So for all this problem, definite integral, you solve the problem after giving the substitution also, change everything into that given variable, then you substitute. Understood? சொல்ல புரிஞ்சுதா? லிமிட்ல வந்து நீ சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாத, இப்போதைக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாத. இப்போ நான் என்ன x ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு t எல்லாம் போடல, எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலா y. ஏன்னா சார் எனக்கு y பிடிக்கல சார், எனக்கு வந்து எல் தான் சார் பிடிச்சிருக்கு, அப்ப இது dlன்னு போட்டுக்கோ. சரியா? இதனுடைய ஆன்சர் என்ன வரும்? l3/3. கரெக்டா? சரியா இல்லையா? 1, 2, 3. இதுக்கு என்ன ஒரு ஆன்சர்? y3/3. It is possible only in the definite integral, not indefinite integral. ஏன்னா xோ yோ எல்லோ அதுக்கு பதில் நம்ம வேல்யூவை சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிடுறோம். அந்த xy எல்லுங்கிறது என்ன?
Yes sir.
இவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகுதாடா எஸ் சொல்லி காலங்காத்தால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பீரியட்ல எஸ் சொல்றதுக்கு இவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகுதேடா. டேய், நீங்க பக்கத்துல இருந்தா கூட நீ எஸ் சொன்னாலும் நோ சொன்னாலும் உன் கண்ணை பார்த்து நடத்தலாம். இது ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. அதனால கொஞ்சம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே. த செகண்ட் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி, இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ஃபுல் இன் சம் பிளேசஸ். இன்டெகிரல் a to b f of x into dx. சார் நான் வந்து லிமிட்டை மாத்தலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன் சார். a to b b to a ன்னு மாத்தலாம்னு இருக்கேன். லிமிட்டை மட்டும் நான் மாத்திக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா, லிமிட்டை மாத்தினா என்ன சிம்பிள் மாதிரி தெரியுமா? இங்க மைனஸ் ஆயிரும். This is no use, but to solve the bigger problem, I found from 1 or 2 problem, somewhere they interchanged the limits. Okay, doesn't matter, only the symbol is changing. For example, I'll give a simple problem, 1 to 2 x into dx. What is this answer?
X square by 2.
Square by 2. Limit
1 to 2.
Limit 1
So which is equal to,
Limit 1
what is
to
the answer? 4/2. minus
2 minus 1 by 2.
minus
by
1 by 2.
2 equal to, what is the final answer?
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by 2.
Yes. This same problem, integral 2 to 1 x dx. Tell me what is this answer?
X square by 2.
X square by 2
Minus 3 by 2.
What answer will come? 1
1 by 2 minus 4 by 2.
2 minus 4 by 2.
4 by 2 equal to minus.
Minus 3 by
3
2.
by 2.
Minus 3 by 2.
It's correct or not? So when you are interchanging the limit, then the symbol is changing, not the value. Values are as it is only the symbol is changing. This property also not that much very important property. Next one is, of course, it is a very important property, a to b x into dx, which is equal to integral. See, a to b is one interval. That means 3 to 7 is one interval is there. The interval I am breaking into 3 to 5 and 5 to 7. I can break like this, no problem. So it is like this, a to c x dx plus integral c to b x dx. We can break the interval, the value it will not change. Only thing, lower limit should be the same thing. We have to change the upper limit only. The upper limit is c is there. Next to the lower limit c is there. We have to change like this. So anybody you want to do the problem, you do the problem like that. Integral 2 to 6 x into dx. You solve it. What is this answer? Integral 2 to, you tell any one of the number.
3.
4.
3.
4.
4, okay. Okay.
3.
3 or 4, okay. 4 x into dx. சரியா? அப்போ பிளஸ் இங்க என்ன போடணும்?
4
to 6.
4 to 6.
4 to 6 x into dx. This gives the same meaning. It gives the same meaning. Value is not changed. நீ இதை சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்றதும் இது ரெண்டு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்றதும் ஆன்சர் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஏன் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். இது x, இது x, இது x. So here upper limit is coming. Okay. So here lower limit is coming. Whatever the value is there, it will be cancelled or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Upper limit means plus will come. Lower limit means
Minus.
Minus.
Minus will come, sir.
minus. இப்ப இந்த கணக்குல நீ 4 போடும்போது அப்பர் லிமிட் போடும்போது 16 ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சு. லோயர் லிமிட் போடும்போது 3 ன்னு வருது. இது முடிஞ்சு வச்சு. இது லோயர் அப்பர் லிமிட் போடுற நீ. அப்ப அங்க ஒரு பிளஸ் ஒரு 18 வருதுன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்ப இதே கணக்கு லோயர் லிமிட் போட்டா என்ன வரும்?
Minus 16.
Minus.
சரியா? So the value it is not at all changing. So don't test this one. This is important. Okay, எவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட்னா 90% important for solving the problem. Next I am going to write one property. The property is 100% it is very very important for solving certain type of problem. அது உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்னு சொன்னா நான் ஒரு 5 problem உனக்கு நான் சால்வ் பண்றேன். I'll solve you total 5 problem, then you understand this property number 4 we have to use which type of problem. சரியா? எல்லா ப்ராப்ளத்துக்கும் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. யூபிஎஸ்சிக்கு வந்து very very useful. We can solve the problem very easily. That is integral 0 to a. சரி, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இன்னொரு ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி வேண்டாம். Fourth property இப்படி எழுதிக்கிறோம். a to b f of x into dx. இது எப்படி எழுதிக்கணும்டா? இன்டெகிரல் a to b f of, பாரு. Now you add the limits. You add the limit. What is adding the limit?
A plus B.
A plus B.
A plus
A
B.
plus
A
B.
plus B.
A plus B, then minus x into dx. It gives the same meaning. F of x, here this x I am telling, this x. So here also I should write f of x only, because this is the property f of x. So here also f of x property. There is a problem mean, then I can write the x. Yes. So now f of x into dx equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x. I'll give one problem like this. Integral 2 to 5x into dx. This problem we can write like this. Integral 2 to 5. எப்படி எழுதலாம்னு சொல்றாங்க?
5 plus 2
5
minus
plus
5 plus
Not
minus
2
2
plus
minus
5.
minus
Lower
D.
limit plus 2 plus 5.
Minus
minus x.
minus
minus x dx.
dx.
It gives the same meaning. It gives the same meaning. It gives the same meaning. அப்ப இங்க 2 plus 5ங்கிறது என்ன ஆயிரும்? 7 ஆயிருமா?
7 sir. 7.
7 minus
Yes,
6.
7 ஆயிரும். So it gives the same
7
meaning.
minus.
So this is property number 4. Property number 5 is very, very important. Almost many problem we are going to use the property. Following property number 4. Integral 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of அதே மாதிரி சொல்லு, அதே மாதிரி சொல்லு.
0 plus a minus x.
A minus x.
0 plus a, 0 plus a ங்கிறது a தான்.
A minus x.
A minus.
So property number 5 is very, 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 very important. We are going to follow in many problems. So we will wind up only the 5 properties today. Okay, the 5 properties enough. We can solve some questions by using the property. All understood? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now I am going to solve the problem. Very useful for your UPSC examination. Okay. After solving 10 problem, you will come to know where we have to use it. This definite integral. But first 3 exercises you done it. There we cannot use the property. Okay. Now in this exercise only we can use the property. Okay. Moment you see the problem, you will come to know we have to use the property, or directly we have to solve, or by using the substitution method, whatever it may be. This is the problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x divided by sin x plus cos x. Being the problem, first problem, okay, you will understand the problem. You don't know why I am following like that. That one you don't worry. I'll tell you later on. This is equal to integral 1 I. This is a given question. Given question number 1. So here, using the property, what is the property?
5.
5. A minus x.
5.
A minus
Tell
x.
me
F of n
how
minus
to
x.
write property 5. How to write property 5? Cos
Cos A minus 5 by 2
Cos
minus x.
5 by 2 minus
x
5 by 2 minus x.
Divided by sin 2 by 2 minus
divided by
Sin pi by 2 minus x.
x. Plus cos pi by 2.
Cos pi by 2 minus x.
cos pi by 2 minus x. So now you tell me which is equal to, what is it? Integral 0 to
Sin x. Sin x divided by cos x plus sin x.
Plus sin.
This is equation number 2, which is equal to what?
One,
I.
sir.
Adding equation number 1 plus equation number 2. I'm adding these two equation. What will happen left hand side?
2i.
2i.
2i. What is equation number 1?
Cos x by
Cos x by sin x plus
cos
cos
x
x.
into dx.
Plus
Sin x by cos x.
Sin x by cos x plus sin x.
sorry. Now what shall I do?
Adds
2i. I plus I equal to 2i. Adding both, the limit is same.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Limit is same. Yes.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
take LCM.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
What happened? You tell me. What happened? You tell me. Cos x plus
Sin x
cos x plus sin x.
Sin x.
upon
Cos x
numerator.
plus sin x
cos
by
x
sin
plus
x
sin
plus
x.
cos x.
Yes.
Cos x plus
What will happen? You tell me.
1.
1.
1. For 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2
dx.
to dx.
dx.
அப்ப
dx
I is equal to என்னன்னு கேட்டனா 1 by 2 integral 0 to
pi
pi by 2 into
dx
dx. அப்ப
dx.
equal to pi by 2 into என்னது
pi by 2
x
X.
0
pi
to
by
0 to pi by 2.
so next answer I is equal to
pi by 4
என்ன வந்துரும்
pi by
By
4
4.
5 by 4.
what is I? What is I?
pi
5
by
by
4
4.
5 by 4.
What is I?
pi by 4
I என்னதுடா?
Cos x by sin x plus 1.
Cos x by sin x.
I means the given problem. This problem answer equal to pi by 4. Everybody will get the same answer, pi by 4. That's why it is called definite integral. Because we are doing the problem in between some interval 0 to pi by 2. In this interval, everybody you will get the same answer. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
சரியா?
Yes, sir.
புரிஞ்சுதா நான் சொல்றேன் என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுதா உனக்கு? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்னொரு கணக்கு போடுறேன்.
Yes, sir.
Do the problem. How to do it? Anybody? What is the answer?
5 by 4, sir.
Pi by 4.
5/4.
0.
5/4.
This is equation number 1. What is this answer? Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus tan 90 minus x. What is the answer?
Cot X.
Cortex.
Scott X.
Okay, now adding equation number 1 plus 2, what happened?
Dx by 1 plus tan x plus dx by 1 plus cot x into dx.
Will you take LCM? Is the denominator is same? Is the denominator is same?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then how to do
We
it
can
here?
make tan x.
Change cortex.
We can make tan x into tan x.
Cot X. Cos X and sin X.
Convert to sin and cos.
Yes, boss. See, this problem, if you do like this, you never get the answer. So this is wrong. Don't follow. Don't follow. So the problem, that problem you convert like this, first of all. I is equal to, if you follow like this, you will not get the answer. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus tan x equal to, what is the answer?
Sin X by cos X.
Cos x.
Sin X by
And
cos X.
this problem you take LCM. This problem you take it LCM.
Cos X
Changing
by
on the numerator cos x upon
Cos x by-
dx divided by
Cos X plus sin X.
Cos X plus sin.
Cos X plus sin
Last
X.
problem.
this is equation number
1.
1.
1.
1. Now you have to apply the
Property.
Property.
apply the property, then automatically this answer equal to how much? This answer equal to how much?
5 by
5 by 4.
5 by 4.
5 by 4.
So if you are lucky enough, they may ask this question in the examination UPSC. Okay, then everybody will get the same answer. The same problem they can ask like this also. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Take it your homework. Pi by 2 dx divided by 1 plus cot x. Tell me what is this problem? How to write this problem?
So first we have to
dx
simplify.
Cos X by sin X.
Huh?
Sin X upon cos X plus sin X.
Sin x upon
Sin X divided by
Sin X.
sin x divided by
Sin X by sin X plus cos X.
Sin X plus cos X.
என்ன பண்ணிருக்க நீ? cot x க்கு பதிலா என்ன செஞ்சிருக்க நீ?
Cos X by sin
Cos
X.
X by sin.
Cos x by sin x, take an LCM. Yes, cot x equal to cos x by sin x, take an LCM, then sin x went to numerator. And what about this problem? What about this problem here? Tan x you have written,
cos
tan
X
x you have
upon
written as
Sin X
Sin
by
X by
cos
cos
X.
X.
sin x by
Sin X by
cos
cos
x,
X.
cos x take an LCM, then cos x went to the numerator. Am I correct?
Sir, one doubt.
Yes,
Doubt
sir.
ask me. Ask the
Sir,
doubt.
we can do by the method. First you did no, sir. Like that even we can do, sir.
But LCM
Sir.
is not coming correctly,
The
no?
cortex you change into one.
Cortex you can change.
Yes, sir. That only, sir.
Cortex.
Cortex we can change into 1 by tan x, sir. Cortex we can change into 1 by tan x, sir. Then we can take the
Then
LCM,
tan
sir.
x plus 1.
Tan x will go to
And
numerator.
then tan
sir.
x will go to the numerator.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Then after that, LCM will be same, sir. So we can cancel it out, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Okay, we can do it also. But you follow the same method for the problem. Integral 0 to pi by 2. If you know how to convert it, then no problem. Root of yes. What is this problem answer?
Pi by 4.
5 by 4.
5 by 4.
What shall I do? By using the
Property.
Property.
property. So the given problem equal to what?
I.
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 The given problem problem equal to I, then you change it, you'll get the answer. Am I correct? Right, next column, integral 0 to pi by 2. These are the standard problems. If you happen to see any places, without solving also, you can write the answer. 3 by 2x plus yes. What is this answer?
5 by 4.
5 by 4.
Okay. What is this answer?
Five by 4.
5 by 4, sir.
This answer also pi by 4. So like that, few problems are there. You take your textbook also. Exercise 7.12. Okay. Now everybody do this problem. Use the property and do the problem. The same property. I'll tell the property name also. Property number 5.
Pi by 2, sir.
5
5
by 4,
by
sir.
2.
5 by
5 by 4.
5 by 4, sir. 5 by 4.
5 by 4.
5 by 4, sir. 5 by 4.
5 by 4 only.
5 by 4.
Yes. Using the property I can write the answer. So now the integration is given with the limit. Then no need to replace. No need to replace the cos square x equal to 1
Minus 1 plus cos
1
2x by 2.
1 plus
Plus
cos
cos
2x
2x by 2.
Hey, 1 minusங்கிற ஒருத்தன் காஸ் 1 plus 1 plus
One
cos
plus
2x by
cos
2 அப்படிலாம் பண்ண
two.
தேவையில்லை.
2.
அப்படிலாம் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. So since the pi by 2 is coming, then you can do like this: cos square x equal to pi by 2 minus x into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. இது என்ன மாறிரும்?
Sin square x.
Sin square.
Sin square.
Square x.
Sin square of x.
x இது வந்து I. அப்போ क्वेश्चन என்ன மாறிரும்? 2i is equal to
2i equal to
integral 0 to
0 to pi by 2.
pi by 2 என்ன
Sin
மாறும்?
sin square x plus cos square x.
Sin square x plus cos square x.
What is sin square x plus cos square x?
1.
1
1.
Sin
dx.
square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Correct? Okay. So now which is equal to integral of x equal to x 0 to pi by 2. So now 2i is equal to pi by 2. I is equal to pi by ஓகே. இப்போ 11th கிளாஸுக்கு எக்ஸாம் நடந்து பார்த்துக்கோ. ஃபார்முலா கேட்குறேன். வாட் இஸ் sin 2x அப்படின்னு ஒரு ஃபார்முலா கேட்குறேன் வைவாவில். நான் கேட்கல, வைஜெயந்தி மேடம். வாட் இஸ் sin 2x ஃபார்முலா?
2 sin x into cos x.
2 sin x cos.
அதானடா நீங்க கூட சொல்றேன்னு ஐயோன்னு நினைச்சேன் நானு. நம்ம ஆள் சொல்றான் பாரு, sin 2x தானே சார்? sin சார் x plus x சார். நான் என்ன செய்ய சொல்றேன்? நீ டெய்லி 4 ஃபார்முலா தான் நடத்துறேன், உனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும் இல்லையா? ஒரு நாளைக்கு எத்தனை மொத்தமே 10 ஃபார்முலா நடத்திடுவேன் ஒரே நாள்ல. 10 ஃபார்முலா நடத்துவேன் ஒரு
No,
நாளைக்கு.
sir.
No.
No,
I
sir.
will teach only maximum 3 to 4. So what you have to do? Every day you have to by heart the formula. அடுத்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, அப்படியாடா ராசா sin 3x சொல்றான்னு இருக்காங்க. sin 3x அதனால என்ன மேடம்? sin 3x தானே? sin x plus x நானாமா. இதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்றது? போர்டுல படிச்சாலே நமக்கு ட்ரிகனாமெட்ரி புரியாது. இதுல படிச்சு என்னைக்கு நமக்கு புரியுறது? Okay, now take it your homework. Tomorrow I will teach you. Already time is 9:45 and 44 only. But if I teach one problem, it will take time. I don't want to waste your time. Many of you may be going to take breakfast now. After that, you will come for the next period. Don't want to waste. So anyway, we are going in good speed. We'll finish it as early as possible. So tomorrow, again, I'll start the same chapter. You want to today evening or tomorrow morning? If anybody is interested, I can teach even today evening 4:30 also I come. I'll finish this exercise. That's all. This is the last exercise. Tomorrow I can teach you application of integral. If I will sit 1 hour or 1.5 hours, this exercise will be over. What's your opinion? No reply from your side?
Today Ankur
Tomorrow, sir.
class.
Hello?
Ankur Pandey sir class maybe.
Today Ankur class is there? You tell me correctly. Today Ankur class is there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, then leave it. Then leave it. I don't know. That's why I'm asking. Okay, when Ankur class is
Friday, sir.
every day is there?
Every day.
Friday, Saturday is not there.
Friday?
Friday and Saturdays.
Then I will take Friday. Okay. That Friday I will take it. Then. Okay, now anyway, then tomorrow morning I have to teach the same property tomorrow morning. Yes, so you complete that exercise. Any doubt, anything is there, most welcome. I'll come back to tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.